Welcome to Twitchymo Studio. In this Cartoon Animator 5 tutorial, we will create a winter animation. First, we'll use Pixelpart to create a series of snow animation images. Then, organize them in Krita, and import the file into CTA5 to make our animation. This is a work in process, part 1 of Hole in the Wall, a short story by Twitchymo Studio. First, open Pixelpart. If you do not have it, it's available through Steam, or the link in the description. Go to File, and then New Project. Select Preset, Nature, Snow. Go to the General tab. Since I want a light snowfall for this project, go to Number of Particles, and change 100 per second to 10. Now we have a light snowfall. Go to the Render button, at the top. Change the type to Image Sequence. File format is PNG. Hit Render. Select the Loop and Seamless checkboxes. Hit Render. Hit Export. Choose your file path. Make sure it is directed to an empty folder, as it will create 150 images. Name the file name. Hit Export. Open the folder, and you should see the series of images. As I cycle through the images, we can see the animation of falling snow. Open Krita. Select the first snow image. Drag and drop it into Krita. I noticed when I was editing I misspelled the files. The first layer is automatically called background. Back to File Explorer, select all the PNG files, drag and drop them into Krita. Select Insert Many Layers. Once that step is complete, find the layer background and delete it. Now comes the tedious job of rearranging the layers. Krita does not come with the feature to rearranging the layers in order. The easiest way I found to do this is to group the layers into smaller groupings. Select the layers, Snow 2 to Snow 10, right-click and select Group, Quick Group. Snow 1 is at the top, so we'll get it last. Move on to the next group doing the same procedure. I will speed up the video for the rest of this process. Now we have to go into each group, and make sure they're all there, and they are in descending order. Go through all the rest of the groups, reordering the layers, in descending order. Again, I will speed up the video. When that is done, go to Group 1. Open it, select all the layers, drag and drop them at the top above layer Group 15. Then delete the empty Group 1 folder. Move on to Group 2, select all the layers, and drag them in order. You want layer 11 below layer 10, and so on. Again, I will speed up the video for this process. Now is a good time to save your work. Hit Save As. Then as type select Photoshop Image, PSD. Open both CTA4 and CTA5. Now as a basis for the animated snow template, I will be using the flashlight prop from Cartoon Animator 4, and importing it into Cartoon Animator 5. If you don't have the flashlight, there is a link from the Reallusions marketplace in the description, where you can find it. I transferred my flashlight from my Cartoon Animator 4. Note, the best way to install the flashlight into Cartoon Animator 5, is to use the new Content Manager. It will be located under the Template tab, Prop, Template, and the folder Freebie. If you transfer by dragging and dropping it into the Content Manager area, it ends up in the Custom area. Drag and drop the flashlight into the Stage area. Here are the two states of the flashlight, on and off. Switch to Composer mode. Select the PSD button to start the PSD editor. In Krita, we can see the file structure. First we need to save the flashlight into a different folder. Use Save As, and save it. In the document, Flashlight Off PSD, copy the group named RL_pivot. Go to the Snow PSD document, and at the top select Edit, and then Paste. Select the layer, Flashlight_off0, and the Transform tool. Off to the right, you'll see a box in the gray area. Hover over that box until you get the Move Cross, and move it to the middle of the image. Do the same for the Object Pivot layer. Turn off that group. Now select all the snow images, and use the quick group, then put them into one group. Go back to the flashlight document, copy the RL_image, and paste it into the snow document. Rename Group 1 to RL_image. Group all the snow images again, within that group. Rename that group to Snow. Turn on the RL_pivot, and we will rename Flashlight_off0 to Snow. Folder names have to match, and are case sensitive. You can now delete the folder, RL_image, that we used as a template. Save your work. Make sure it is saved as a PSD file. Now, close Krita. And, open Cartoon Animator 5. Drag the file, snow.psd into the stage area. It will automatically open as in Composer mode. Select the snow layer in the Layer Manager. Open the sprite editor, and we should see all the snow images. Close the editor, and go back to the stage mode. Select one of the snowflakes, and adjust the size. Open the timeline. Open the sprite editor. At frame 0, select the sprite snow1.png. Advance one frame and select snow2.png, using the advance arrow on your keyboard, to advance one frame at a time. Then select the next image. If you watch the keyframe indicator, you'll see it move one frame at a time. Open the Motion tab, and you can see your progress. I will speed up the video to cover the rest of this operation. Open the Collect Clip tab. While holding down the left mouse button, drag the bar from frame 149 to 0. You can select the dot again, and then continue to drag it to 0. Now select in that area, right-click and hit Add to Action menu. Name the action I'm going to use, Make It Snow. Close the sprite editor. Open the project settings, and reduce the frames to 149. Turn on repeat, and hit play. So, we can see a continuous, light, falling snow. Now, let's save our animated prop. In the Content Manager, select the Custom tab. Then Prop, and Animated Prop. Hit Save, and name your new prop. Open a new project. Drop the snow prop into the stage area. Right-click on the prop, and add the action. You can add multiple actions to increase the snow time. Here is a winter scene, to show it snowing with our new prop. If you haven't done so already, please take a few seconds to subscribe, like and hit notifications, to be notified of my next video. Thank you for joining my journey of animation.